Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Clicked and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be looking at a controversial video out right now. It's pretty much from Twitch, who a lot of things are allowed and are not allowed on the platform, but a fairly new streamer basically was caught having sex on stream, right? Not actually seeing everything like graphic, but we knew what was happening, and basically the streamer got a slap on the wrist, 7-day ban, nothing crazy. So here we have Penguins talking about it. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but if you don't, I'll be dropping the link to his channel in the description. But he's pretty much just saying, like, other streamers have done stuff that are way less severe and have gotten lifetime bans and stuff like that. So it's just the whole idea of the social media platforms, that it doesn't really make sense and they're not consistent with their punishment for everybody. All right, so that's what we're going to be looking at today, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You have to subscribe to vibe, you get me? Drop a like on the video, guys. I would appreciate it. It will help get my video out there. We drop videos daily, so turn on post notifications and comment down below and let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Just one short week ago, everything we thought we knew changed forever. It was like when Albert Einstein came up with the theory of relativity. It's all been shaken now. I still remember the glory days before August 29th, 2022, living in an ignorant bliss, naive to how corrupt Twitch had become with their enforcement of their own rules. That's right, August 29th is a date that will go down in infamy as the day that Twitch showed its true face and brought with it a catastrophe, a devastating Coombsday, when a streamer got fucked live on Twitch and Twitch responded with the
Let's just
lightest
get right into it,
ban of all
people.
time. I already talked about this in a video, but I wanted to follow up because they've decided to stick with their initial decision of a 7-day ban. So a week ago now, a streamer by the
I'm gonna
name
look up
of
this
Kimika had sex
not the
live
video,
on Twitch
the
while an
article.
entire marching band clapped and cheered her on in the chat. It was about 100 concurrent viewers at the time. I don't know if the coitus actually reached its climax. I couldn't tell you because she got banned before anyone finished, except for some of the people in the chat, I'm sure. But overall, a very successful stream because normally she averages like 20 viewers, and this one, it
Damn.
was triple digits. So she got paid a visit by old Saint Dicholas, and it was broadcast live on Twitch, and she paid the iron price. She got banned. And you would expect that Twitch would crack down pretty
Okay,
hard on it,
so
since this is their #1 golden rule that you can't.
like I thought, it's not that she was actually having like actual sex. The guy was behind her reflection, some shit like that, and she was still streaming. So you're not seeing anything, but which is just as bad. Obviously, you have kids on Twitch and stuff like that, so it's kind of wild.
Bend and you cannot break. Streamers have been banned for months if they wore clothing that was too revealing. So having full-blown
Which is also crazy
cheek
to me because a lot of times I see, girls just. I remember asking if my friend, I'm like, are you allowed to stream with no? Because like sometimes it's hot, so I'm like, I don't want to put on a shirt for the stream, and I'm like, yo, are you allowed to stream with no shirt? And they're like, yeah, I don't think so. And I'm like, that's crazy because I see girls literally in like bikinis and stuff in a hot tub just chatting stream, and I'm just like, I'm confused. You know what I mean?
clapping ham steaming sex on Twitch, you would expect there to be some pretty big consequences, a permanent ban. But that wasn't
Yeah.
the case. Twitch decided to not even give like a slap on
Oh,
the
she's a
wrist.
young.
They gave just
She's like
a
21.
playful little tap on the tuchus. They gave her a 7-day ban. And
Yeah, I
now
didn't
she's
show
back to
anything.
streaming, and her return stream has been her biggest stream ever, clocking in at 800 viewers at one point,
Damn.
blowing her previous numbers out of the water, and skyrocketing her follower count from 30 to right around 2K right now, 2 to
Wow.
4K. For some reason, I'm getting mixed data. On Twitch, it shows 2K, but on some of the Twitch tracking sites, it shows 4K. But regardless, she's had a
She did her
massively
thing.
positive gain from this whole thing.
Wow.
All right, thanks to Caleb and I doing some super sleuthing, we've cracked the case. The reason why there's a big follower discrepancy as well as peak viewership discrepancy is because she had 2 accounts.
Okay.
On one of her accounts, she broadcast the Gland to Gland combat, and this is the account that gained 4,000 followers. The
Bro,
account with 4K
what?
followers, she closed, but she did a comeback stream
I have
on
like
there, and
under
there's still
1,000
some
followers,
clip
and
evidence
it's been
of it.
over a
So here
year.
you can see her most viewed clips
She
are from
said she
September
streamed for
4th. The
wow.
comeback stream, 27,000 views. which is significantly more than she was getting before the penis meets vagina incident.
Yeah, this guy is
And
blown
she
as hell.
gained a lot from it. Not only on Twitch, but one of her socials gained 100,000 followers on there. So
Oh, is that
just
TikTok?
an absolutely genius marketing strategy to just fuck on Twitch and just profit.
Genius
And
indeed.
she closed this account, like I said, she threw it away like a crusty cum towel.
Hey.
However, she does have another account that's still active, and I'm imagining is the
Let's
one she's
see.
going to be using going forward. And that's the account that's gained 2,000 followers. And it's also an affiliate
So
because you can
on-
subscribe to it.
Yeah, she has
I don't know if it was an
104K
affiliate
followers on TikTok now.
pre-coitus or post-coitus. I'm really not sure. I can't imagine
Spanish,
Twitch
oh, okay,
banned
okay.
her and then rewarded her for having sex with an affiliate deal. But who
Kinda seems
knows?
like it.
Twitch seems so mismanaged when it comes to their rules. It's baffling. But what I want to talk about is what
I feel like
this
it's one of those things. Depending on who you are, we have to bring the hammer down. If she's nobody and she could have just skated over, I don't know, man. It's so strange with these social media platforms nowadays, man. Like you never know. You don't know why people get fought out or why people get fought. Like,
means going forward. Twitch has set a precedent with this, and it's not just this. There's been plenty of other examples, but this is
I
by
don't-
far
I
the
wouldn't even
biggest
say
'cause they're
that.
just blatantly having sex.
next thing you
live
know,
on
you try that
Twitch,
shit?
which so far hasn't been done before outside of just rebroadcasting porn. This was a streamer
I said-
having sex live, and Twitch's response was a very light ban. So what does this mean? This means that any streamer going forward might honestly consider this as an actual tactic for growth. This was only her 8th stream ever, I think. I was going through all of her previous broadcasts, and I'm pretty sure this was her 8th stream. She had only streamed, I think, 24 hours in total across her entire streaming career until she fucked. And once she did that, that's when she had all of this massive growth from it. Prior to this incident, she would get between 20 and 50 viewers
Might
per
as well.
stream. After this incident, so far she's only had one stream, but she never dropped under like
this is the world, though. It tells you that you have to do. We know sex sells. That's one, but it tells you that you have to do dramatic things or things that are borderline, like unethical to get seen because drama sells. Like it's kind of crazy.
150. So it was extremely successful. It really does feel like a viable strategy for Twitch since it seems like they don't care that much about it. So if I was writing a WikiHow guide on gaining followers on Twitch, this would be on the list of best practices. Just full-blown fuck. Get your back blown out on Twitch and take a 7-day vacation, come back to more viewers, more money, more followers. It's like an actual life
Yeah.
hack. Want to get Twitch famous and become a big live streamer? Just have sex on cam. You'll be shocked at how well it works. Doctors don't want you to know this one simple trick. It's really just
You have
pretty sad.
psoriasis.
There are
Like,
people that have been banned for so long for such little things. Again, Gideon is still permanently banned for one instance of bad behavior on rating another streamer with mean words. And yet somehow
Gideon.
the biggest possible sin you can
Gideon.
commit on Twitch is only a 7-day ban and is nothing but rewarding for the streamer that did it. It's just crazy. Their priorities are so out of whack. None of it makes any sense whatsoever. I would
Gideon
love for them to
streamer.
explain how this constituted only a 7-day ban. And I do genuinely wonder if this will become a more popular trend after people see how successful this was for Kimika. So yeah, I mean, I just wanted to talk about this a little bit because I was absolutely blown away. I was expecting Twitch to not unban her, just quietly make it a permaban instead of making a big song and dance out of it, but no, it seems like they're pretty adamant that having sex on their service is not that big of an issue.
Seems
So,
like it.
Oh well, that's really about it.
Obviously, that is wild. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. As I said, like, you have to remember that I guess Twitch, YouTube, all these people, all the people that work there, they're like regular people, right? So maybe things will go over their head, and maybe some people like they're having a bad day at work, and or they're having a good day, or they see the person that they're working with or that they have to punish, and they're just like, nah, I'm gonna let this one slide because they're people too, right? So maybe that's what's going on. But I mean, it has to be enforced equally across the board, or else that's what's gonna happen, right? And if more big streamers speak out about this, you're gonna have people leaving from one platform to the next, or you know what I mean? So I don't know. What do you guys think about this though? Do you think that being the fact that she didn't actually get seen actually doing it, that she should have been, that 7 days is okay? Like, let me know what you guys think, man. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.